everyone, and welcome back to my bedroom renovation part 31. And today, I've got quite a few things to update you on. All the exciting things. Obviously, there's a few boring things as well, but I'm not going to bother showing those off. So today and yesterday, I have been busy again in here. And what I've been doing is I've been getting all of the carrier bags out. So all the stuff that I've had have all been in bags, and I've managed to get most of them out. There is still some that I still need to get out, but the last ones are kind of like all the wires for my PC. So I kind of don't want to be getting any of those out. So my plan is to kind of leave all them. And I'm going to be doing them another day. Okay. So for now, I will be leaving all of them. But the reason why that we're in here, don't worry, we will be moving into the bedroom as well, because I do have some stuff in there. I just want to be showing you once again my games collection. Now in the last video, I showed you an update of kind of like all of my games and DVDs. But in some of the carry bags, there were more games in there, and there were more DVDs in there. So I believe that's new. Whatever film that is, I mean, I've never heard of that before. I've got this one here, called This Is England. And then if we have a look at the Xbox 360 games, some of them I've managed to get back out. So we've got Lego Marvel, Disney Pixar, Minecraft on the Xbox 360 edition. If you didn't know, that's the first Minecraft I played. Connect Sports, Carnival Games, Game Party in Motion, Connect Adventures, Connect Joyride, and Sonic 3 Riders. So yeah, so they're literally all new. They were literally in the box, in the carry bag, and I managed to get them all back out. So that's them. And then, quite recently, I bought some PSP games, because if you don't know, I do have a PSP, and I thought I'd buy some games for it. So we've got Pursuit Force, we've got Football Manager Handheld, and we've got Hot Brain. So yeah, but I do know that I do have more games on the PSP as well. There isn't just these. There isn't just these three. I do have some others as well. I believe. I don't even know where they are. I think they might be on the PSP in general. I don't really know. But I know that I do have some more. But I'm going to be getting some more very, very soon. When I went to buy them the other day, I didn't really have a lot of money, so I kind of only got the cheap ones. There was some in there that were quite expensive, but I will get my hands on them very, very soon. So yeah, that is currently my up-to-date games collection again. I don't even know if there is any more games somewhere, but if there is, then hopefully I'll show you an updated thing very, very soon. Anyway, yeah, so before we move on, I just want to show you down here. Now, this is kind of like the next thing that I will be focusing on. So there's quite a few things in this section, and I will be hopefully moving them in to the bedroom and putting them somewhere, and that is the plan on there. Obviously, you can see that the most biggest thing here is obviously my my Anfield Stadium, which, if you don't know, I made that at Mancap, and it was quite a big job. I'm not going to lie, and luckily at the moment it's not broken yet. It's not fell to pieces, so I'm happy about that. Yeah, so that's going to be my next pro. That's going to be my next job. Is going to be sorting all of this out. Anyway, right, we are pretty much done in here. So I'm now going to move on. Right, here we are, back in the bedroom again. Yeah, I've got a few things in here to show you. So I'm gonna be showing you them. Yeah, you can see I've got a bit of a interesting pile here. This is obviously some things that I managed to get back out. So I've got my mugs here, which are cool. I've got my bottles there, and then I've got my little like temporary lights, which are there. Next up, we've got my Spider-Man. Yeah, Spider-Man Brand New Day poster. If you don't know, I went to see the film the other day. It was really good, by the way. I recommend checking it out if you haven't seen it. On the way back, the staff that works at the Odeon, he gave us all a poster. So I thought, you know what, I might as well just stick it on here. Yeah. So there we go, and it's good because I've got my other one here, look, my Miles Morales one. So I thought I'd put it down here because there was room. Yeah, that is my poster of Spider-Man Brand New Day. All right, up next, we are back to my shelves because I have recently added some new things. I've added my Rubik's cubes, so you can see I've got 3 of them all together. And then if we move on down here, I've added what shop? Oh, this one. You can see I've added a few things on here, a few little extra things. Cause I think I did say in one of the part videos, I said I was going to be adding some extra things on. So yeah, you can see I've added a few things. That Amazon plane, I had to move that off the other shelf because of a certain thing I'm going to be showing you in a moment. So that's why that's there. What else is new? Oh yeah, up here, I've added some things up here. So we've got my dogs and whoever he is. I don't know. And then down here, I have finally now got my Xbox light, of course, because obviously I was stuck with the Spider-Man, PlayStation, and Minecraft one. But I've now finally got my Xbox light out now. So kind of like these are all my 4 now that I've got. So yeah, so they're all together. As I said, I don't even know if my shelves will be updated again. But of course, we'll see about that. Alright, next I'm going to be showing you my trophy shelf, which has finally been filled up. So you can see, this is my, these are all my trophies that I've won. So altogether, I have got 13, and that is a lot. As you know, most of them are from City Nights, when I was there, when I was with them for 6 years. And then I recently got a trophy from Derek Dooley as well for my tournament that we played in. And the reason why that we won it is because that we were unbeaten in all 4 matches, and that is incredible, isn't it? Also there's some trophies on there that are from MenCap as well. There's like that little small one there, as you can see there, and then there's that one there as well. Don't ask me what that is in the corner. That is someone that gave me that. It's actually I'm not going to tell you what it is because it is a little bit embarrassing. But it's one of the stuff from MenCap. I think it was part of I think it was part of a snooker tournament. I think he gave us all one. Because it was sort of this thing that we had. He literally just gave me that trophy, and I thought, you know what, I might as well just put it on the shelf because why not? He is a really funny guy, by the way. And I'm glad that I met him just because he's really funny. Yeah, so yeah, he was the one that gave me who gave us all that trophy. But yeah, apart from that, most of them are football ones. Anyway, that I've won. Oh yeah, there's that one as well. That one was from my All Stars team when I was back at the hub. By the way, but yeah, yeah. Let me know what you think of them all. I don't know if I'll be getting any more trophies in the future, but of course it depends on what I do with Dooley. Obviously, like we were so close on winning the cup, because if we did end up winning that, that would have been another trophy as well. But of course we didn't win that, so I'm hoping that we do that next season. But yeah, that is my full trophy shelf. All right, next to show you is down here. Now you can see, yeah, we've got all my consoles down here because I believe I've now finally got them all out. I believe. I could be wrong, but yeah. So I just show you these in a previous video before, but I just thought I'd show you them again just because I've managed to get. I think I managed to get all of them out now, I believe. Yeah, so that's them all there. If you don't know what these are like controller. I think they're called controller gamepad things. So what you can do is you can plug this into the TV, and you can actually play like retro games on it, which is pretty cool. So so definitely have to check all those out. And then I'm not sure if you can see, but in the corner over there, yes, there is a lot of stuff down there. A lot of gaming controllers. Yeah, it might be better on this side. If I show you, yeah, if I show you down there, yes, there is a lot of controllers. Don't ask me why. There is a lot of them, because I've got no idea. But yeah, that is all them. And then, last but not least, is my desk, which at the moment is not a desk. It's more like a table. Because, yeah, there is a lot of stuff on here. There is a lot of stuff. Because when it comes to setting all my computer up, I'm gonna have to move all this stuff. Like, I'm gonna have to move it all off of here. Which I know is going to be a very hard job because there is a lot of it. But don't worry, I will be moving it all. Yeah. So yeah, you can see the pile is getting bigger and bigger, isn't it? With lots of random stuff. Includes my big Mario star, which at the moment I don't know where that's going to go. I don't know whether I'll be putting it on the desk or if I'll be putting it on a shelf somewhere. And then one of the other most important things I managed to get back out is my Stream Deck, which is there as well. And I'm actually looking forward to using that because I've actually not used it yet since I got it. I'm not sure if you don't know, but when I think it was the first after my birthday when I bought it. Obviously, I think I used it in about 1 or 2 test streams, and for some reason I didn't even know how to work it out, and I don't even know why I didn't. So what I am going to do is I am going to start using that properly when I go back to doing gaming live streams, because I think that'll be very, very handy to use. I also do have a Stream Deck as well, which is the same as a Stream Deck, so technically I'll have 2. But yeah. So that's that. But yeah, you can see, yeah, there's a lot of things on here that I've managed to get back out. There is also this big thing as well, which I managed to find, and apparently I believe you can put your Nintendo Switch on it as well. So I'm gonna have to check. I'm gonna have to check that out and see what that does. But yeah, I'm not going to go through everything just because there is a lot on there. But yeah, so there we go. That is my table up to now. But don't worry, it will all get moved eventually, and it'll be a proper gaming computer again, sort of thing. But at the moment, yeah, it's still a table for now. But yeah. Oh, hang on a minute. I forgot to show you some things on here as well. So I've got my so this is like a power roll, like sort of battery charger thing. Let me show you what it is. Yeah, so it's basically it's got some rechargeable batteries in it, and it's got some cables and stuff. And that'll be pretty handy as well for my for my controllers and stuff. So that'll be very handy then. And I also, oh dear, I'll sort that out in a minute. I've got my my virtual reality glasses. These are actually like my second pair, which I've got in there. So I will be doing some VR on the channel. Don't you worry about that, because I haven't done any, by the way, yet. I really need to do some VR. Yeah, so there's my VR glasses. Yeah, I really need to do some VR because I haven't done any yet. And I was meant to be doing some. I was meant to be doing it quite a few years ago, and for some reason I just never got round to it. So I'll definitely be doing some VR. But yeah, that is it. Okay, and that is it. So that has been this renovation. Yeah, once again, a bit of a weird one. But yeah, I've kind of showed you a few things, and yeah, I've actually showed you quite a lot, which has been good. So yeah, I've enjoyed this one. So I don't even know when the next one is going to be. There's probably going to be once again another bit of a gap. But yeah, we are actually nearly getting close to the end of this series now, which obviously I've really enjoyed doing. But yeah, I just kind of wanted to show you a lot of exciting things in this part because I didn't want to be boring. But yeah, so there you go. Oh, I forgot to show you these. Oh, something I missed. Yeah, so I'm not sure if you remember this, but this is my little creeper light thing. Look at that. Boom. So I'm not sure if you remember that, but yeah, that's that. And then I've got my little building blocks behind here, look, as well, which I bought from somewhere, I don't know where. But yeah, and I think that is definitely it, isn't it? Yeah, there isn't anything over there. But yeah. So yeah, hopefully you enjoyed this part. I don't even know when the next one is that it's going to be, but of course, it'll be on the channel whenever that will be. Yeah, because this is actually the month where hopefully my PC should be finished. Because we're actually now in August, by the way, as I'm filming. So I believe that this will be the last month that this series will run until it comes to an end. And then in September it'll be back to normal. Yeah, that is it. Hopefully you enjoyed. Don't forget to click subscribe. We are still on the road to 2,000 subscribers. And I'll see you later. Bye.